you obviously have a ton of YouTube subscribers, and video is a really big part of how you're getting your message out to more people. Can you speak to that and the importance of video and the impact that it's had on your ability to get the Believe message out to the world?
So I think that's an exercise in self-awareness. I would much rather be on video than do a podcast or than to write, even though I have 2 books to my name. But like, video is where I live. I find it a lot easier to create video content. And so that's what I'm great at. It doesn't mean that everybody has to do it. It's understanding what you're great at and going in on that strength. I think video is so powerful right now because, one, people mostly are visual learners. If you survey, humans, between visual, auditory, and kinesthetic, visual is number 1. So people prefer to learn through visual than anything else. And every social media platform has made it so easy to win with video that it's a big opportunity that a lot of people are missing. There's fears, there's nerves, it's a skill set to build up. We didn't go to school for this. But I think if people can get the comfort level up and you have a powerful message to share, there's no reason why millions of people can't be paying attention to you. I look at someone like Martin Luther King. Like, imagine if he had YouTube. Imagine if he had Twitter video. Like, everything, all the great stuff that he did, that he had such a powerful message. Imagine if he had YouTube. And so I think for people who are watching, part of your audience, if they have a powerful message, like if you guys have a powerful message, then you have the responsibility to get it out. Like, if you can, then you must. So that's the way I see the world.